In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Sell the Trend and Pexda. Now, if you're running any type of business that's like dropshipping or Amazon FBA, anything like that, then you know that using the right research tool to find the best products to sell and also being able to keep an eye on your competitors and learning from them can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, using the wrong tools is a great way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing, automation features, and much more. For your convenience, I've also included the links to both Sell the Trend and Pexda in the description below, so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Sell the Trend offers a robust product discovery suite featuring an AI-powered discovery engine known as the Nexus. This engine curates products from a variety of sources including AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify stores, providing users with a rich selection of trending items. The platform also allows for extensive filtering options such as product cost, selling price, and potential profit margins, which are super valuable for targeting specific markets and niches. But what about market analysis? Market analysis on Sell the Trend is detailed and actionable. The platform provides insights into trends, competition levels, and demand for each product. Additionally, it features a trend tracker that monitors real-time data on product popularity, helping users make timely decisions based on current market dynamics. What about integration with platforms? Sell the Trend excels in its integration capabilities, particularly with Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products directly into their Shopify stores with just a few clicks. The platform also supports integration with WooCommerce, making it versatile for users across different e-commerce platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, the tool includes access to a comprehensive database of suppliers, complete with ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. This feature is particularly useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish long-term relationships with trusted suppliers. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? Sell the Trend offers advanced tools to calculate potential profitability, including detailed cost breakdowns and suggested selling prices. This helps users to effectively price their products to maximize margins while remaining competitive. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Well, the user interface of Sell the Trend is modern and intuitive. New users can easily navigate through its various features without feeling overwhelmed, thanks to a well-organized dashboard and clear instructional guidance. But what about their customer support and community? Like, what if you need help with something? Well, Sell the Trend provides robust customer support, including live chat. As you can see right here, you can click this button and you can get help through the bot as well as with a real person. Additionally, they also have an active community of users who can be a great resource. They share tips, strategies, and advice as well. So it's really a wholesome community if you want to get into the dropshipping space. But what about their pricing? So let's talk about their pricing structure. As you can see, they've got two different plans here, keeping it very simple, the monthly and the yearly plan. If you go with the yearly plan, you actually get 2 months for free, so that saves you quite a bit of money. If you look at the monthly plan, you're paying about $40 a month for their essential plan and about $100 a month for their pro plan. And so you can see what they're offering here in each of these. They're offering pretty much unlimited everything with the pro plan, so you're good to go. But you can check them out. You can actually use the link in the description to start a free trial and see which one you like. Let's talk about the automation features now. Sell the Trend includes several automation features such as automated store synchronization and AliExpress order fulfillment, which significantly reduce the manual effort that's required for managing your dropshipping business. But what about analytics and reporting? Well, the analytics and reporting tools provided by Sell the Trend are comprehensive. Users can track sales, monitor inventory levels, and analyze performance data to optimize their strategies. Now, unfortunately, if you're planning on using Sell the Trend on your phone, they don't have a mobile app right now, so that might not be super convenient for you, but they might release that in the future. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, the feedback for Sell the Trend is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its extensive product discovery features and effective market analysis tools. However, some users have noted that it would be nice to have a mobile app. As you can see, there's tons of really amazing success stories, and a lot of YouTubers and people that you've probably heard of use Sell the Trend to run their dropshipping business. Sell the Trend is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking a powerful and intuitive tool to enhance their product discovery and market analysis capabilities. With a strong platform integration and comprehensive feature set, it suits both beginners and experienced merchants. The only notable gap is the absence of a mobile application, which could enhance the management if you're on the go, but that might get added in the future. Pexda stands out in its product discovery by providing a curated list of winning products. These selections are updated daily, and they're accompanied by data-driven insights, including sales trends and potential profitability. The platform offers a star rating system, which helps users identify quickly the top performing products across various e-commerce platforms, including AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. Now let's talk about their market analysis. So the market analysis capabilities of Pexda are very, very robust. They're offering detailed insights into how each product performs in the market, including data on sales volume, geographic popularity, as well as demographic targeting. Pexda also provides Facebook ad insights for each product, including the ad copy, engagement rates, and audience demographics, which are invaluable for crafting effective marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pexda integrates directly with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their stores. While it focuses primarily on Shopify, the insights it provides are also applicable to other e-commerce platforms, though direct integration might be limited. What about their supplier database? Well, Pexda does not have a built-in supplier database. Instead, it links directly to the suppliers on AliExpress, facilitating a straightforward way to connect with suppliers, but without the additional vetting or ratings that some other tools provide. So what about the pricing and profitability tools? Pexda includes a built-in profitability calculator that helps users estimate profit margins by considering product costs, selling prices, and estimated advertising expenses. This tool is essential for users who want to evaluate the financial viability for each product before they actually commit to something. So what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Pexda is intuitive and it's really good. It's designed to help even beginners navigate through the tool effectively. It's clean and organized, and it makes it easy to access different features and find the necessary information quickly. The customer support and community is also pretty good. They actually offer customer support via email, and they have an active presence on social media where they share updates and engage with users. Additionally, Pexda provides access to a private Facebook group where you can exchange tips, ask stories, as well as share your success. But now you're probably wondering about how much all of this actually costs. So let's look at their pricing. Now, Pexda offers a subscription model, and as you can see, for a limited time, you can get a 50% off. They've got a standard plan starting at $195 for 14 days, and then it goes up to almost $15 a month. The premium, which is really popular, it's the most popular one, and then it goes up to ultimate if you want to scale your business at almost $100 a month. And so you can see what's included in each of these subscriptions here. If you want to try out any one of them, you can use the link in the description and sign up. You can also cancel anytime, so there's no commitment. What about automation features? While Pexda does not focus on automation of dropshipping operations like order fulfillment, it automates the process of product and ad research, significantly reducing the time and effort that it takes you to identify profitable products and effective ads. So what about analytics and reporting? Pexda provides detailed analytics on product performance and ad success, which helps users make informed decisions based on real-time data. The platform's reporting tools are geared towards optimizing e-commerce and advertising strategies. Now, if you're using a phone, if you want to be able to access Pexda on your mobile device, unfortunately, they don't offer a mobile app right now, which could be a limitation if you're planning on managing your business through your phone, but it shouldn't be a problem. Most people use their laptop anyway for business. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, user feedback for Pexda is generally pretty positive. Many users appreciate the quality of the product insights and the ease of integrating with Shopify. Some users, however, wish there was more extensive platform integration, so with other platforms, and maybe some additional features for supplier management. Overall, Pexda is a powerful tool for dropshippers that are focused on discovering winning products and leveraging data-driven insights for successful entry into the market. Its strength is in product curation and ad analysis, which makes it really valuable, especially if you're using Shopify. And it could benefit from broader integration with other e-commerce platforms and a mobile app, but that's something that they might upgrade and add in the future, so stay tuned. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.